Here I have HUAWEI Y7 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings right here. Here you have to choose the advanced settings. Afterwards, tab language and input. Select language from the top of the screen. And now, as you can see, you are using the English from United Kingdom, but if you would like to change your language, let's choose add language. Here we've got the full list of available languages. So let me just say that I would like to change my language from English to Spanish. So let's find and select the Espanol right here. Let's choose your region. In my case, it's España. Now we have to place the Espanol into the first position, and as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just tap Ajustes right here. Let's scroll down to choose Ajustes Avanzados, tap Idioma y Traducción, tap Idioma one more time, and let's place English into the first position. So that's it. Now you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.